Hey guys, what's going on? Michael here. Before we start the video, I want to tell you something. This time I'm giving away 5 copies, 5 times free access to Video Sniper Pro, the software that will make you blow up on YouTube. I will give away 5 times free access for you guys, okay? All you have to do is comment below, post a nice comment. Simply comment, guys, and I will use this random comment picker, whatever tool, and then I will hit you up. You give me your email. I will give you free access to the software. Everyone wants that software. I will give 5 lucky winners free access. So be sure to do this right now. This video is going to be about how to make money on YouTube in 2018 right here. It's going to be an interesting video. I am gonna present you 2 different ways, basically 2 different overall strategies that you have to focus on in this year right here. And that will help you to make a lot of money using YouTube. Trust me, it's a gold mine. So be sure to check it out right now. Okay guys, so as I said, I wanna be talking about 2 things, basically 2, in my opinion, main ways to make money on YouTube in 2018. Or whenever you're watching this video, basically, because there's really nothing that changes, obviously. So I want to clear up, I want to start out by clearing up one myth that a lot of people have in their head when it comes to making money on YouTube, and that's that they always think that you have to have an actual YouTube channel yourself, where you put yourself out there in front of the camera, like I do right now, and then make money. By either becoming famous and getting Google AdSense money, or then actually sell something on YouTube, which is not true. There's a lot of money to be made on YouTube with YouTube marketing, and that's actually the second thing that I want to be talking about in this video right here. But the first thing is basically everything that's related to you having your own channel or multiple different channels on YouTube.com, right? If you show your face or if you don't show your face, doesn't really matter. There's different ways around it, but we want to be talking about how to make money while running your own channel and creating your own content, whether it is like actual videos that you produce with yourself in the video or other kinds of videos. Okay, so there's basically a few different ways that you can make money here, right? So first obvious way, of course, that everyone knows, Google AdSense, right? So YouTube simply paying you money for them to show your ads in your videos, right? So the money that you make right there is not really a lot. You know, it's really not that much. It's around $1,000 per 100,000 views, something like this, depending on the niche and stuff. And it's really, really not a lot of money, okay? It's very hard to make a lot of money doing this because you gotta be kind of famous, to be honest, in order to do this. In one of my my previous videos, I was talking about how you can make a lot of money on YouTube by going into different niches and really present yourself as an expert in this niche, make money that way. You should definitely check this out, but for now, we want to be talking about the actual ways to make money. So the second way, under this big umbrella of having your own channel and stuff, is probably affiliate marketing, right? And that's what a lot of people do. That's probably the second, or that's probably one of the best ways, to be honest, to make money on YouTube if you have your own channel and stuff. And the order right now is kind of like from the worst, because I started with the worst, which is AdSense, and it goes up. I will do it up to the best way, okay? So worst way, AdSense, probably. That's the hardest way to make money on YouTube. Then the second thing that's better than that is affiliate marketing, promoting other companies' products. So for example, if you're in the fitness niche and you make a video about how to get a 6-pack, and then you sell a product of some other person or company, or you sell supplements and get a commission, 20, 30, 50% commission on these products, and that's how you make money, okay? So obviously, that's a great way to make money, but of course, the better way that results out of this method is selling your own product, right? So how it normally works is when people start on YouTube, when they start out on YouTube, they do this whole affiliate marketing stuff, and then they kind of slide into creating your own products, because obviously, creating your own products takes time, knowledge. I mean, you have to know how to create a product, and effort, which is also combined with time in order to create that. So you can't just go in there and start selling products because you don't have any products yet, right? And it also costs money. So that's what most people do, is they make some money with affiliate marketing and stuff, and then they reinvest it into their own products, and that's how they get going, unless they already have a bunch of money to start with, which most YouTube content creators and stuff don't actually have, okay? So these are probably that's really when you break. Of course, there's different things. I made a bunch of videos about this stuff in the past. If this is your first time on this channel, be sure to subscribe and check out all my videos about YouTube marketing. I made a bunch of videos on how to sell your own products, how to create them, how to do stuff like this, okay? Cannot go through all of this in this video right here. What I want to be talking about though, this is basically it when it comes to having your own channel, right? The second thing that I want to be talking about in this video though is an opportunity that allows you to make money with YouTube and with all the stuff that I teach, like with how to rank YouTube videos, how to drive traffic, how to get views, how to use the software to do all of this stuff, Video Sniper Pro. And the way to do this is by doing video marketing, YouTube marketing for other people and companies, clients, right? So that's where the whole idea, for example, for my video marketing agency program that's already a bestseller after like 2 weeks that it's out, that's where the idea came from, is that I was thinking about how to get the most out of YouTube. And that's one of the best ways to start making money, using YouTube, not having your own channel, but using YouTube, the power of YouTube, to get high paying clients, okay? So what me and my students, what we literally do is we get small businesses, local companies, local businesses to pay us around $1,000 to $2,000 or even more for ranking their videos, like on Google. I can show you an example on my screen and stuff on Google, and also charge these companies a commission on every sale that we make. So that allows us to get tons of money from all kinds of different companies and close sales easily with these companies and get a bunch of money paid to actually run our own video marketing agency. You can compare it to like a social media marketing agency, but it's way better than that because it's easier. It's easier to set up, it's easier to start, and it's kind of like a no-brainer, because with a social media marketing agency, you always have this thing like where you don't really probably not on the same page with the client. You don't really know what to deliver and stuff because you have to create your own content. With a video marketing agency in that way, and I'm the only guy who teaches it this way and I'm the only one who actually teaches it that way. This way, it's actually really, really easy to do and straightforward, and everyone will make the deal with you because it's a win-win situation, right? So what you do is you go out there, you get clients, and you sell them on a deal where you promise them to rank them their YouTube videos, or not even their YouTube videos. I will show you a way how to outsource the video creation part. You create a channel for them and you rank the videos for specific keywords, right? For these clients. If you want to know more about how all of this stuff works, I will put a video link in the description and explain everything, okay? But this is the best way to really start a business around YouTube if you don't want to have your own channel, because YouTube nowadays is really a gold mine, you know, because video content is the future. And I mean, it's the present, it's the future, and people just love it. And all of this other stuff like blog posts and normal SEO and driving traffic to a landing page and all of this stuff is fine and still works a little bit, but video, just video in general, is really killing it right now, you know. And if you can get people, and not only you can do this for like businesses and small businesses and stuff, you can also do this. For example, you already have like an agency kind of thing, right? You already do web design, right? You can cross-sell this stuff, right? Let's say you do web design, right? You do web design for a lawyer or something, right? Then you can say, we got a new service. We will rank your videos on the first page of Google, get you a lot of clients, and they will pay you more money, right? So there's a lot of opportunity. So there's a lot of opportunity out there when it comes to making money on YouTube, especially right here in 2018 or whenever you watch this video. So again, as a summary, both ways work. You can get your own channel going, but you can also use specific ways to get clients and do something for them. You know, you don't always have to like create your own channel, put yourself in front of the camera and then see what happens. You know, I would actually recommend to you guys to start out by creating a client-based business like a video marketing agency. Jump on board with us. Like, we got a bunch of people right now who signed up for the course already. It's limited though, because I don't want the whole world to do this stuff. Get on board and start selling your services. Charge them $1,000 to $2,000 every single month, and make money that way. And if you still want to make money normally on YouTube, you can create your own channel, put a bunch of money into advertising and tools and stuff like this. It will help you so much more, because it's always hard to start something with no money, especially when it also depends on like your personality, because obviously a lot of stuff, when you do stuff on YouTube, it depends on if people actually engage with you, if they like you. I mean, if you're boring and stuff, you can almost like somehow forget it. You gotta learn how to actually be entertaining and give people value. And yeah, so my tip for you guys is start a service-based business and then switch if you still want to do it to affiliate marketing or whatever. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. Be sure to like and subscribe as always. Hit the notification bell to not forget or not miss another awesome video of mine. And yeah, hope I could create some awesome value, and see you guys very, very soon.